lower open on Thursday. Earnings, oil, and economic data are in the spotlight. The U.S. data showed producer prices gaining broadly in the latest month. The annual increase rose to post its largest gain in 5 years. Meanwhile, initial jobless claims declined in the latest week, falling more than forecast. In the previous session, U.S. indices closed mixed after a relatively flat trading session. We saw shares in the semiconductors and semiconductor equipment, as well as energy and household and personal products, trade higher. Meanwhile, shares in the media, pharma, biotech, and life sciences, as well as capital goods sectors, were under pressure. As for your advancers and decliners, 61% of S&P 500 constituents traded higher yesterday. And in after-hours trade, Snap posted revenue that missed estimates and slower than expected revenue growth. Now, the parent company of Snapchat saw its shares fall over 20% in after-hours trade. And Macys reported a worse than expected slide in revenue for the first quarter. The company reported a 39% drop in quarterly profit, and results were hurt by a decline in sales as well as higher inventory. Now, net income declined to $71 million in Q1, and the company has said it will shutter 100 of its locations. Now, the company reaffirmed its previous outlook for this year. Looking at overseas markets, the Nikkei gained 0.3%, the Hang Seng also added 0.4%, and South Korea's Kospi rallied nearly 1.2%. Now, European indices are consolidating today. Here in the U.S., for the S&P 500, the bias remains bullish. Long positions above 2387 are preferred, with targets at 2400 and 2404 in extension. As for the Nasdaq, the bullish bias stands above 5658 on an intraday basis, and for the Dow Jones Industrial Average, the bullish bias is above 20,850.